Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we're here to do a HESI problem. Okay, so now looking at this problem, it's another word problem, and we want to use our identification technique. We know that on the HESI, we're going to be encountering four types of word problems. That is proportion, percent, unit conversion, and temperature. So, and we can identify them by looking at the numbers. We know if we look at the numbers and we see a capital F, the word degrees, or the capital C, we know that it is a temperature problem. So let's look at this. We look at the numbers, we see capital F in degrees, so we know this is a temperature problem. Now that we know it's a temperature problem, we're going to use our general technique, which is we're going to convert this to an equation, and then we're going to solve the equation. In this case, we already have two equations waiting for us. For temperature conversion, there's only two cases. They're going to ask you to either convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, in which case we use this equation here on the top, or they're going to ask us to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, which we're going to use this equation. Those are the only two equations you're going to need to use for the temperature problem. So let's see what they're asking us to do. Which one? So the patient fever is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Degrees convert the temperature to Celsius. So they want us to convert it to Celsius. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to convert the temperature to Celsius. That means we have to use the Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature, which is formula, which is on the top. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So we have C equals, C is for Celsius temperature, F, which is representing Fahrenheit, minus 32, right? Then multiply that by 5 and divide it by 9. All right. So now all we need to do is plug in our value for Fahrenheit temperature. So what did they give us in the word problem? They said F equals 102 degrees. So now we're going to go ahead and plug that in our formula and simplify it so we can get our Celsius temperature. Whenever you replace a variable with a number, you always should use brackets. That'll reduce the number of errors you make significantly. So that's 102. Okay. So now we have C equals 102 minus 32 is going to give us 70. All right. Now we do the next step. Equals 70 times 5 is going to give us 350 divided by 9. Let's go ahead and do that on a calculator. 350 divided by 9. That's going to give us 38.88. So our equivalent Celsius temperature is 38.88 degrees Celsius. And this is the answer we're going to look for in the multiple choice option for this question. All right. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and type your questions in the chat. Our staff will be happy to help you. Or you can go to the St. Paul School of Nursing HESI support website. It's free. And you can go to the contact us box and type your question in there and just enter your contact information, which is just your email and your first and last name. You hit the green submit button and someone will contact you back from there. All right. I hope this helped. This video helped you guys. If it did, please remember to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.